taking care of praying mantises, like a lot of other insects and arthropods, we want to mirror the environment which they came from. So that means we need to make sure that we have native plants for it, oils, what they're going to be seeing. You want to give them things like sticks and everything like that to basically mirror their environment. We've taken them out of their habitat, and we need to basically in a micro habitat that mirrors that. So that means we're in charge of their food and their humidity and their moisture. So misting the enclosure. And what's important to note is mantises won't eat insects. They need to have live prey. And it's all going to be dependent on how large the mantis is. Now, the bigger ones can eat larger food. Smaller ones you need to start with wingless fruit flies, pygmy crickets, and then work your way up, and they will eat more and more. Basically, working to create a terrarium or microhabitat that mirrors where they came from is very important in terms of temperature and substrate and all that. That way you can keep these in mantis, for the long term.